epelu lokara DC sine saimanimana programs luka pugan nepeka rama itunga imedaun kotomo programs kalu konyara DC sulelo mutos karina o Karamoja kisedelo tosebe aikidio kusna Iredion luda ispedorete kesi ya ramia itunga nesi Etotolite epelu cage
nara iso police la office kosi ebesa ja do radio la pirwa na amon konye na mudata ijai soke de radio le ijai Kenya ya anyo na mudata le Kenya is about iraika kilometers apart kai samon jalo tengana na baka mkutano nese radio so a challenge le ijai so ngoni mamsi pera na ntunga kiro ara takandakano na kokko no ijai se ba ngina na that area rai pokot se jasi so akero no radio mami tamasa wadeke report ni japuka abusumuta sobe ya uni radio from Gulu sister radio bala eto kwenye tonika pana then you go to Nabaka Caritas about 80 kilometers Amamus county lay up Pekine district so arai salo cité arai radio pra wera kro sa ko ngai lip neja puga nes jarolo so na ngiti boy o mawne polo ya na radio na
and they already studying the situation and engaging the stakeholders of the various communication companies or organizations. UBC is directly under them. They're also trying to link up with the NTV and link up with the other radio stations to see the possibilities of availing their stations in the districts of Karamoja. And I think this has delayed because of the situation that has been going on. Otherwise, there's a lot of discussions going on that, and that issue is going to be addressed.
Eja singonda potubu bwara DC zikia utuwai ningosi na kesa swamne peka members lwa parliament loda balas kesi ebe mamemisi kintose pelukeche lokara DC sibore tapituri kesi aretono kin.
At the districts and the nearest person who you work with on a day-to-day basis is the LC5 chairman and probably his executive and the technical staff. Little again, you know that the categories of leaders are camped. They are in camps. Now one will see you working very well, like you are supposed to, with the chairman or others. It becomes an issue. And then two, it has become very clear that most of these members of parliament have not conceptualized on the role of an RDC. Sometimes, when they go to the office of the president and make personal appeals on whom they want to work with as the RDC, they become the RDC, according to them, is assumed to be a tool that should propel their politics.
Konyelo kolara minisalo akironu alupo ko Daudi Migereko ne sabu ili paradisi sai sacha arretu ne peka politicians kotobo district and isoma ite kesi.
So the clashing can only be unfortunate and accidental. In as far as I know, the terms of their mandate does not include clashing with other people. The issue is coordination and facilitating duties and work in their area. Today you can't survive when you are holding any responsible office if you ignore the media.
Nera Migereko nu ijaikini ya choreta ni ijasi aradisi zulalo mtosko Karamoja luda ijasa tutorio kane koboma soroti kanwe kamuntosi ya pelukechelo wa erami tunga jana kinto manapila no apugan kada isiana kintunga kironu Apol. Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Soroti.